Hey guys, so would you like to know more about a smart thermostat, especially the latest product from Ecobee, which is Ecobee Smart Thermostat with voice control? If the answer is yes, then that's your reason number one to click on the above link and watch the video. So would you like to know how to buy Ecobee Smart Thermostat without spending much? If the answer is yes, that's again reason number two to click on the above link and watch the video. And if you are thinking about buying Ecobee Smart Thermostat and you want to know what's inside the box of Ecobee Smart Thermostat, and if the answer is yes for that too, that's your reason number three to click on the above link and watch the video. And if your answer is no to all these three, but you have some time left to spend, that's your reason number four to click on the above link and watch the video. So guys, FeniX Creative Studios is bringing a new segment called Technozone, where we will be reviewing the latest technologies in the form of their features, user reviews, installation guides, along with tips and tricks. So as part of the first episode, I'm bringing in front of you guys the complete walkthrough of Ecobee Smart Thermostat with voice control. The complete walkthrough is divided into two parts. The above link is for part one, where we'll be taking a look at what basically a smart thermostat is in terms of Ecobee Smart Thermostat and how you can purchase Ecobee Smart Thermostat without emptying your pockets. And we will be taking a look inside the Ecobee Smart Thermostat box. In part two, we will be taking a look at how to install the smart thermostat, and along with that, we'll be taking a look at the main features of Ecobee Smart Thermostat, which enabled me to choose it over the other contenders like Google Nest. So what are you waiting for? I said it already 4 times. Click on the above link and watch the video. And if you love the video, I'll really appreciate you can like the video and share it with your friends, and possibly subscribe my channel for any future updates. And if you want to stay updated on Facebook about my uploads, make sure you like my Facebook page, FeniX Creative Studios. So thank you guys, I'll be back again with part 2, so stay tuned.